Hey there, in this video I will show you how to factory reset your Pixel device. This will work on your Pixel 6, Pixel 6a and also the new Pixel 7. The process will be exactly the same. I will show you two ways to do it. One is if you have access to the phone itself and you can boot it up and launch it in these menus. And other way I will show you how to do it if your phone, for example, somehow is bricked or something has happened or it doesn't work anymore and you need to reset it and wipe it clean in hopes it will work again. So the easiest step to do that is to go to settings and scroll all the way down where it says system. Click on system and scroll down where you can see reset options. Click on that and the last menu, erase all data, factory reset. You will need to press this. However, if your phone, for example, is somehow locked by your work, or maybe you have some kind of parental controls over it, this will be grayed out like here, so you won't be able to do it. And the only way to do it is to contact your company to unlock it, or I will show you the second way if you don't have access basically to your phone. Okay, you're going to switch off your phone first, make sure it's off, and then you're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, like this. As you see, some weird texts appear here, and on the right side here you can see that if you press the button it will start the phone. However, we can navigate this via these volume up, volume down buttons. Press twice down till it says recovery mode and then press this button. Okay, let it boot up and you see this dead Android man will appear, which says no command. Now we need to press again this power button and volume up at the same time and release it. Okay, so you will see a bunch of menus here and we need to select this wipe data factory reset, and you can select it with the power button. Click on it and it will ask you to confirm it. So if you want to go ahead, click this factory data reset and press the power button and it will start the process. I obviously won't do that now. And that was basically it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button. See you!